Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a dog-friendly birthday cake recipe that is perfect for your furry friends, so follow along if you want to learn how. Alright, so we are in my kitchen. We're going to go ahead and get this started. So we're just going to go ahead and start with a half a cup of shredded carrots. Go ahead and put that in our mixing bowl. You can buy them pre-shredded. I shredded mine. Use what you have. And then we're also going to go in with a 1/3 of a cup of peanut butter. Make sure it is dog friendly. So we're gonna go ahead and add that in our mixing bowl. Perfect. 2 eggs. Right on in there. And then this is optional, it just gives it more of that traditional cake texture. But it's gonna be 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So again, optional. If you don't have it, leave it out, no big deal. All right, we are gonna go ahead and get this mixed up. All right, our batter is all mixed up. I have pre-oiled this adorable little cake pan just with a little bit of coconut oil, so that way we can pop that cake out as soon as it's done baking. So we are gonna go ahead and pour our batter right in our mold. Bear with me, I know it doesn't look super appetizing, but I promise your pup is gonna love it. And it smells delicious, if that helps. Go ahead and pour that in there. You can really use any pan you'd like. I've used muffin tins, I've used mini muffin tins and made treat versions. I've used a banana bread loaf, I've used a pan. You can really use anything you have around the house. This recipe is super user friendly. Just go ahead and spread that out really nicely. Perfect. All right, we are gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven at 350 from anywhere to 15 to 20 minutes. If you stick a toothpick in it and it comes out dry, it's good to go, but it's really hard to mess this recipe up, so as long as it looks done, should be safe. All right, everybody, that is it. We popped this out of the mold and topped it with some whipped cream. You can also use plain Greek yogurt, whatever you have in your fridge. Here's the ultimate test. All right, make sure to like and follow for more dog-friendly recipes. Thanks for following along with us.